Today we are going to learn here machine control group instruction. These are important instructions from the point of view of theory exam. These are two important instructions, push and pop. In that push, we are pushing the content of register pair on the stack, and in pop we do opposite work, that is stack pointer is stored in register pair. So first we learn about the push instruction. In that the 16-bit data is stored at stack pointer. For that purpose either register pair or program status word, that is it is combination of accumulator and flag register is used. So here we learn first push RP, that is the content of register pair is get stored on stack pointer. So here RP is the register pair which may be a BC, D or HL. Stack pointer is first decremented, then the content of higher order register, that is H, B or D, will be moved to that position. Then again stack pointer is decremented and the content of lower order register pair, that is C, E or L, is moved to that stack pointer position, and new stack pointer position is decremented by 2. So it is register addressing mode instruction. It is 1 byte instruction. The content of higher order register pair RP are moved to memory location whose address is 1 less than the content of stack pointer. For example, if the current stack pointer position is D015 hex, then and BC register pair contain 2555 hex, that is B contain 25 hex and C contain 55 hex. Then when we write push B instruction, first the stack pointer is decremented, that is D014 position it takes, and data from register B, that is 25 hex, move to D014, and data from register C, that is 55 hex, move to D013, and the new position of stack pointer is D013. Similar, we have push program status word, that is here we are using combination of accumulator and flag register. So similar thing is happen. First we decrement the stack pointer and move the content 8-bit content of accumulator to that position. Then we again decrement the stack pointer and move the content of flag register to that position. So it is register indirect addressing mode, because we are not using here register pair directly, but we are using program status word. So for example, if we are taking accumulator content 33 hex and flag register is 25 hex and stack pointer position again 2015 hex, then what happen? After execution of push PSW, 2014 will take 33 hex and D013 will take 25 hex. So opposite instruction to this push is pop, that is we are popping out content of stack pointer on register pair. So again pop RP. Pop RP means the content of stack pointer will move to register pair. The first stack pointer position is incremented and higher order register content, lower order register content will move to that stack pointer position, and higher order content will move to 1 incrementation, and stack pointer position is incremented by 2. That is, suppose we are taking register pair HL, then content of L will move to the current stack pointer position, content of H will be moved to incremented stack pointer position, and content of stack pointer will be incremented by 2. So for example, if we take stack pointer position 2001 and BC and D, BC register pair we are using, then after pop B or pop H, what it will do? It will take the stack pointer position to the register B first, C first, and then to register B, and then stack pointer will be incremented by 1, that is it becomes 2003. So it is clearly mentioned in this example. Similarly, pop PSW, that is we are popping program status word, that is we are loading accumulator and flag register by using stack pointer. So same thing will be happen here. First the program flag register will be loaded to the loaded with the stack pointer current position, then accumulator is loaded by incrementation with 1, and then new stack pointer position is SP plus 2. So this is register indirect addressing mode instruction, 1 byte instruction. Next is XTHL, that is exchange H and L with top of stack. That is, L content will be exchanged with current stack pointer position and H content will be exchanged with incremented stack pointer position. It is register indirect addressing mode instruction, 1 byte instruction. For example, H contain 20 hex, L contain FF hex, and stack is ABCD hex. Then after XTHL, L content is AB hex, H content is CD hex, and the content of new stack pointer are FF20 hex. Then the next instruction is SPHL, that is move stack pointer to HL pair, or move HL pair to stack pointer. Here this is used to initialize the stack pointer. For example, HL pair contain 2599 hex, then SPHL will give stack pointer position 2559 hex. It is register addressing mode instruction containing 1 byte. Next two important instructions are in and out. So these instructions are used to input the data or to output the data of 8085. We can use different ports for 8085. The port number is from 00 to FF hex. So from that port we can exchange the data between the 8085 and input output devices. So in instruction is used to input 8-bit data from that port. The port is given in the instruction, so it is direct addressing mode instruction. It is 2 byte instruction. Here that data is directly 8-bit data is directly accepted from the port mentioned in the instruction. Similarly, out port, that is output 8-bit data, out 8-bit data. This is direct addressing mode instruction, which is also 2 byte instruction, which output the result of calculation or whatever in the output form on the output port given in that instruction. Okay, so these are machine control group instruction. In the next lecture we are going to see how the programming is done. Thank you.